As a part of our education with Adventure Academy, we got a challenge to stay 2 minutes in cold water with the clothes.
We went to the ocean together with some friends and jumped in the water.
At first, my body was in shock and I had trouble breathing.
After a couple of seconds, I was able to slow down my breath and regain consciousness. Nu börjar huttringarna komma.
20 sekunder.
Skojar du? Har det gått 20 sekunder?
Nej, det är 20 sekunder kvar. 10 sekunder kvar.
Då börjar jag filma nu.
Ja. Bra, Marcus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nu har det gått 2 minuter.
After our swim, we had to quickly change into dry clothes and warm ourselves with some hot chocolate.
We also made a fire and enjoyed the sunset before we went home. Even though it was tough, the experience was still rewarding and we will definitely do this again. But maybe next time with swimming suits on.